Hey guys, I'm showing you this Oyeal console table. It's a narrow entryway table with hooks. So this is a 31.5-inch with a small sofa table with a metal frame. So couch table for living room, hallway, foyer, bedroom, and this which I received is the black in color. So you can see just trying to show the unboxing, the instruction. This is the screws and the instruction thereof. So this is total unboxing. These are the all parts, and I'm trying to assemble this one by one so you can easily see the process. So everything is numbered and marked clearly, so that it's pretty easy for you to assemble this product. And I will try to save time on the video, so I will just show a small part of it, and most of it I will just do it outside so that I can save the time. So it's match the hole with the hole and instruction with instruction. The screws are there, just put in. They also provide the tools, so you don't need any extra tool to do it or assemble it. And it's pretty nice, and this is all metal, so it's a nice durable quality. So I made this and then the rods. So you can see all the process like in a quick mode. So this metal and the board is of MDF, and the dimension, as I mentioned, 31.5 inches by 11.8 by 31.7. So you can see I make the whole frame, and I need to put this wooden block on top of it. So once I fix it, this is the whole look. I also put the hooks. It comes with two hooks, so I put it in the back of this console. You can put it any four corners, and this really looks nice and very great small for the small table behind the small sofa or anywhere you want to use it. So nice design and the nice quality with the metal and the MDF board. So these are the hooks for the additional work or things.